In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your forms to Brevo. To get started, you first need access to your Brevo account. Open your web browser, go to the Brevo website, and log in using your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you are logged in successfully, because everything that follows depends on being inside your account dashboard. Once you are in your Brevo account, the next thing to do is locate the area where your forms live. Look for the marketing section in the navigation menu. Then click into Forms. This is where Brevo manages all of the forms you have created, including ones you are ready to embed on other pages. After you open Forms, you will see a list of your existing forms. Now choose the specific form you want to connect. Click the name of the form you want to use. This opens the form's details and editing options, so you are working with the correct form instead of grabbing the wrong embed code. At this point, it is important to find the Share step. You will usually see it as one of the tabs or sections within the form setup. Go to the Share step next. This area contains the embed options Brevo provides, which is exactly what we will use to connect your form to your website. When you are on the Share step, copy the provided iframe or HTML embed code. You will see code displayed on the screen, usually as either an iframe snippet or an HTML embed snippet. Select the code and copy it exactly as shown. Do not modify it, because the code must stay intact for the form to render properly on your website. Now that you have the embed code copied, you will switch over to your website editor. This could be a platform like a website builder, a content management system, or a custom site editor. Find the HTML editor for the page where you want the form to appear. This is the place where raw HTML can be inserted, so the embed code can be recognized by your page. Next, insert the code into your website's HTML editor where you want the form to show up. For example, you might place it in the body of a landing page, a contact page, or a sign-up section. Make sure you paste the code into the correct spot on the page so the form displays where visitors expect it. After you paste the code, review the changes in your website editor as much as your platform allows. If the editor shows a preview, use it to confirm the form area is present. If there is no preview, your next step is still the same, because the real test happens after publishing. Once you are satisfied with the placement, save your website changes. Saving is a necessary step because it ensures the embedded form code is stored with the page. If you skip saving, the published page might not include the embed code you just added. Finally, publish the page. Publishing updates your live site, making the form available to visitors in the embedded location you selected. After publishing, it is a good idea to open the page in a separate tab to confirm everything works as expected. The form should load normally, and users should be able to submit it through your Brevo setup. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.